So I get away na awa utlwella this year ne awa utlwella he banyana ba wona ba re sesi December mosadi ke frontale or maybe ke bophelo sesi no ratile mara bophelo ba dumela ne. Let us just say hore ona frontale this year. Today's video I come bearing gifts, okay ngwana ko gae. I'm going to be showing you a few hairstyles on how you can wear your 4x4 closure. You don't always have to have it middle part or a side part, you know. You can wear it other ways. So I'm using my watercolor wig from Yanova hair, and this was a 18-inch wig. So I do think the styles today, they do need a longer wig. I think they can work for a straight or a curly wig, but I will show them to you and we can decide as we go. So I'm gonna give you the first styling tip. Sometimes it just shows up. You're gonna take a section of your hair like so. So you're gonna take about 2 inches. I wanna frontal ashimo. You're gonna take a section of the hair. Like this, and then you're just gonna grab up until where you get to your ear. You're just gonna grab some hair up until where you get to your ear. And then you do the same thing this side, right? Mar 4x4 on alinyon. Iberekise nana ke tšhelete ya hao eo. Awa ibla na urugolo di sipi. Awurugolo di frontal why? Awurugolo di next ngwana go high. Pressure o tla o khama mo bophelong o tla ira dilo tse dintse o sa di itseng le wena wa sala mo lo tshwere ke stress tsa January o jile tšhelete January o regile frontal bana scaftini bana uniform mara wena wa apere frontal ke bophelo ba go ka bona bo. I'm gonna take whatever's remaining and I'm just gonna I'm gonna be brave ne. I'm gonna push this to almost the closest I can get to my frontal, the end of my 4x4, without it showing my track. So I'm gonna push it without it showing my track. Take as much hair as I can before it starts showing my track. In order to sleek it, you can even take your wax stick ne, to just sleek this hair down. But I want to sleek this down as much as I can. And then you have that, you know, that sleeked back look. So now you're going to take this hair and you're going to tie it in the back like this. Lipondola, how you're going to make it as tight as possible. Just pull it to make it as tight as possible, because you want this to lay as flat as you possibly can get it to lay, right? You can even define the partition with some of your concealer, right? So, okay. So, I mean, this is a look in itself, right? This is a look. Like, if you want, this can be your look. But nah, that's not what I was going for. So now you're going to take that hair that you didn't sleek down, eh? And then you're going to let it come out. Like so. Do you see my vision? That's look number 1. Ooh, okay. And then you get a nice little earring. So this is giving me date night, okay? Date night with my man. Thank you to my man. If you don't have a man, it's a nice maxi dress look, like a tight little maxi dress with a cute little bag and some cute little heel vibe. And then a maxi dress isn't too much on your skin, so like a strapless nyan. It's giving very strapless, so the hair can fall nicely on your shoulders. This is giving vibes, okay? This is giving queen. Look number 2. Oh my gosh, it's so cute when you tie it as well. Ooh, and then let's try something. Let's tie this hair, ne? So I go once, maybe so again. Instead of hulubuseta completely, I just grab the back of it like so, and then I tie it. But you banani like it's intentional, ne? Okay, so I guess this is look number 2. Irikietso ka rikietsa baninyana so. Ke swatletse ka mo tlasa wig ne. Just to make it neat but messy. Elevated lipondo. Elevated lipondo. And if you can grab some hair, I doubt I'll be able to, but if you can grab some hair, how powerful will this look be? The strand probably should have been this side, but hey, who cares? Who cares? It's hot. It's hot. I keep sweating. Tell me what you give this look. This is the hairstyle number 2. Tell me what you give this look out of 10. And then because since I came start, I don't think these are like my own hairstyles, right? I'm pretty sure there are other people who've come up with these things. So I'm not claiming Horina, I was the first to do it. I'm just saying Horsesi, Vuge Makandeni, Baska Unyata, ka 4x4 ya how December Uskato Helarona Barnaling di frontal, Brunyate, ka December. Hey, Musadi ge frontal. Oh, Abutorina. So 4x4 yaka yetsa wa tswa keng yetsa nthongwe hey so the next look I'm going to do, I'm just going to take all of this hair and then ke kenyetse mo lipondong ne. And I think that's why I'm saying it's gonna probably work with longer hair, right? A lot of these hairstyles, I will admit, they will work with much longer hair than shorter hair. So you try to make lipondo lahao as neat as possible, and then unke fabric. And uskana hanoro ira kamko utlwaitseng sis. Unke fabric ya how. So I'm gonna use this cute Tswana fabric. Unke fabric ya how, and then you are gonna tie from the back to the front, ne? But what I want you to do is leave some frontal. Yeah, you know? Leave some lace here. Hide where your lace starts and leave some lace here. So that's what I mean. Do you see? Lace. So utlo lacy, and then for some reason I want it in the center. Actually, you know what? It's fine. I don't care. So but you can even tuck in your duke under the wig, so that it never, you know, lace. You can even do that if you want. So now I'm just gonna tie my duke the way I tie it. Quick tip, I get to offer to go like 100%. So nagebergisa ribbon, and that's why I like this type of hairstyle. Just gonna do some stuff, man. I don't know. Do some stuff with this, okay? Do some stuff with it, and then get like a pin, you know. Yes. Oh yes. And then lipondo lahao arwe loko lipondong bathong memeng lenyalong re nyadisa mang kitle re nyadisa mang kitle guys go membatale. So this will work probably very beautifully with a straight wig, because you can just let the hair hang at the back, right? But honey, we don't have a straight wig now. We are wearing a curly wig. So I'm just gonna go clean up lipondo la kane. You can always secure the hair on your head with some pins, right? So that it doesn't go away. I mean these pins, like secure the wig. But the wig, most wigs have combs. It's just I don't have hair, so I can feel it moving around. So definitely, if I'm gonna wear this hairstyle, I'm definitely gonna glue it here so that it doesn't fall apart. Cause naka it's going along jive. Akina kurba chomi boni wigi ya hai sele yawa. Wa ba iti plus that time kam khotle bekile pila teng ne ba nkemetse hore ke ire phoso vele. Wa ba iti di family members. But wena sesi mara ba unyatsa gadlala ne ba o rata ska ya kana wa fitla ko family ntse ha o la re nombi witse la nyatsa. So you can leave it as lipondo ne. I feel like le skununyana le neat, you know. You can leave it scalipondo like so. Ke Ki loko bo hading ba re ke makoti wa se Johnny Johnny ke Joburg ko Setsonga. Anyway, I feel like a bun, so I'm just gonna do like a nice cute little bun situation. Okay, I mean that's a look guys. There you have it. Do you see your frontal is frontaling? But this is another look that you can absolutely try, honeys. It needs a different kind of earring obviously, but I don't have time. I need to go. Hairstyle number 2. Hairstyle number 2, give brunch with friends. Okay, it's a brunch with friends kind of look, you know, like it just makes it like a dinner, like a dinner with friends, you know, not men. Let's do the last look. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, for the last look, I am gonna go ahead and take out 2 portions of my hair in the center. So I'm gonna find my center first, and then get a line in my center for the whole portion as far as I can. Actually, I think I'm gonna do it up until like 2 inches, about 5 centimeters. Ne? I'm gonna do it for like for 5 centimeters, because that 5 centimeters so re aren't lace for 5 centimeters ho ya kwa lace for 5 centimeters ho ya kwa. It's going to be very similar to the first hairstyle. But before I do that, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a portion of this hair and do the same this side. Right? So I want to take more or less the same amount of hair. Now let me just curl it. Let me get a twist so that I get this hair out of the way. Ne? Yes, it's hot. Okay, now that 5 centimeters is going to work again, because I'm going to take about 5 centimeters both ways of my wig. Right, I'm going to take 5 centimeters going there. Actually, I'm going to try to take a little bit more, because I think I need more lace going there. Then I'm going to take all of it now, as I did all the way up until my ear, like the last time. Now I'm going to just to get this hair out of the way. Ne? This is a temporary pondo. Same thing as the last time. We're gonna sleek this girl. We're gonna sleek this girl down to the side. Sleek her as much as you possibly can. Sleek, like if you don't sleek harder than this, December go. Okay? Take this hair, tie it at the back again. Right? Now, lipondo lo tlo le bafang. Ke half lipondo ne. Half lipondo ana kwa hasi full lipondo. You take a bit of the hair, try to hide the tracks a little bit. Ka onta half lipondo. And then so just not show the tracks as much. Onta half lipondo, it doesn't have to be a lot of hair. And because we don't have a lot of hair, it's not gonna just end where the closure ends, or else it will like end here and it will look awkward. So you take some of that hair and then you tie it. Let's just tighten it, and then you can let it down to hide those tracks that were left here. Then you are gonna untie this for the final look. There you go. Okay, I feel like I want to just define this parting. I'm going to define it a little bit. Ta-da! This is so gorgeous. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. That is the final look. You guys, I love this. This is my favorite one, and the second one is my favorite one. So baka sushi this year ka front usna frontali, because ausalo na all want to do the right to relevant tiger. Halisali sesi. But other than that, kupa little ho pressure bana frontal. King e hore musadi ke frontal monna ke vene, guys. Peer pressure ke ya na go high school so ke adult, we are adults. So please guys, stay in your lane and follow your own path and do things at your pace, because ho ya ka hore motho mong a re o na le nga ona eng ka se thusi ka next it tlo tlisetsa ngwena it tlo tlisetsa sekoloto. But anyway guys, either way, my hair slaps, okay? My hair ate and left no crumbs. I am full for the next few days because I ate. But further, ke le rata ka love, ke la tla le bona next time bana ba ko hi, okay, bye.